I am Roswita Muntiarso. I made this video for application to become a content developer in Labster. So currently I am working as a freelance trainer for high school biology Olympiad. I teach more or less first year undergraduate course material to high school students. One of the problems that I encountered when I teach is I teach a very diverse student. Since my organization doesn't have any more biology teacher, we need to clump all the students to my class together. It means the students' understanding is very diverse, ranging from 0 to well-rounded. Some of my students are winners from last year's National Biology Olympiad, while some others are first-timers who need to know very basic materials. So the problem is when I teach to advanced, the first-timers cannot catch up. The other way around, when I teach very basic, the advanced student will feel very bored and sometimes makes the class very noisy. So what did I do? I still teach the both basic and also advanced materials, but in the basic material I will put a case study and several basic concepts and borrowing from physics and chemistry, so that the well-rounded student won't feel bored and learn more from the basic material. And when I teach the advanced material, I will link it to the real life situation, so that the first timer won't feel left out and also get very interested in learning new things. Whatever about e-learning is a good breakthrough in learning method. For myself, e-learning bring more good than harm, even though I couldn't deny there must be a flaw in any teaching method. The strength of e-learning that I see is we can accommodate teaching for students who is staying far away and don't have time to travel around. As long as you have access to computer and stable internet connection, you can have learning experience. The schedule also far more flexible for interaction between learner and teacher when there is a discussion forum platform. For slow learners, the student can also catch up very well because they can skim over the material over and over again. For the teacher, e-learning also make everything easier because it's digitalized everything, including grading and also attendance record, which is usually done by hand during face-to-face class. The result can be obtained directly after the class session and there is no homework for the teacher. The weakness of any learning that it is highly depends on internet connection. In developed country, the problem in internet connection is minimum, and every school and university has stable internet connection. It is quite different in developing country, for example Indonesia, which even there is no stable connection even in university or school. So the solution is maybe we can make a CD which includes a program that they can install in the computer, while internet is served only for supplementary, so there is only small amount of downloading. This might be very important since Labster are providing ways for any institute that don't have proper teaching laboratory for big class, but want the students to have insight into practical work. Developing country who has not built good teaching laboratory facility might be a good market prospect for Labster, but again they might have computer but not stable internet connection. And what makes Labster unique for me is that Labster provides a good practical experience without a need of complete laboratory equipment. Also, it reduces the cost for the supply and for the region as well. You only need computers and stable internet connection. But the difference with Labster is Labster make it look like a game, so it's very entertaining for the student and make the student enjoy the lab session. Why I want to join Labster? Because I enjoy teaching and I want to develop more interactive and interesting way of teaching. Biology can be really boring subjects, but to make it fun needs some kind of art to connect the knowledge and interest of the student. I am a competitive person and innovative. I enjoy solving a problem with multi-dimensional way of thinking. I enjoy science, experiments, and always updating myself in current news about science. Working in good startup like Labster allows me to develop myself in terms of skills, links, and also develop new products which is in line with the market needs. Thank you. So I hope to see you again. Good. Bismillah.